Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Fahad. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this awesome beauty salon website in WordPress. And not only for your beauty salon, you can use this website for your spa center, for your beauty parlor, or for your barber shop. To create this website, we will be using a free theme, a free page builder, and all free resources. By following this tutorial, you can have your own beauty salon website, or you can make a website for your client who owns a beauty salon. And we will be creating everything just by drag and drop. You don't need to know a single line of coding. Let's now have a look at what we're going to make in this tutorial. So first I will show you how to create this beautiful home page, how to work with this text, this button, how to change the images, and then I will show you how to create this beautiful services section. If you are running a beauty salon, you may have different services like makeup, nails, tattoos, or hair work. You can change the name of the services and images the way you want. And then I will show you how to create this beautiful story section where you can talk about your beauty salon. And then here we'll have a read more button. You can link this to your about page. Then I will show you how to create this beautiful call to action section. Also, if we click on this how to work button, this video pop-up will appear over our website. Then on the next section, I will show you how to create this beautiful booking appointment form. By using this appointment form, your customers can book a time with you. After that, I will show you how to create this beautiful testimonial section. Here you can put your best client's testimonial. And then here's the interesting thing. I will show you how to put your recent blog posts inside of your homepage. Then also I will show you how to create this beautiful global footer where you can put your social media links, also some copyright text at the very bottom. Then if we click on this go to top button, it jumps to the top of our website. I will also show you how to work with this beautiful header. Even I will show you how to create your own logo using an online free tool. After creating that logo, I will show you how to put that inside of your website. I will show you how to create this hamburger menu. So if we click on this hamburger menu, here we can see all of our page links. If you want, you can also add an image on this full width navigation menu and then click on this X to close it. Alright, let's now have a look on the next page. That would be our services page. I will show you how to create this beautiful services page. Here you can have these beautiful images of your services and then you can talk about your all services, the sub services. If you want, you can also display the prices of your sub services. And you may have different services, so you can put them into different sections. Like here we have got makeup section and here we have got the tattoo section. By the way, you can change all these images, all this text the way you want. You can change these images with your own images, or also I will show you how to get free stock images so you can use those images for free. Alright, let's now go to our next page. That's our about page. Here I will show you how to create this beautiful about us section. On the left here you can talk about your company, I mean your beauty salon. And on the right side, you can put a featured image. Then underneath here, you can create your team member section. I will show you how to put the team members' images with their name, their role, everything. And also you can repeat the same call to action section here. Lastly, here you have got the same global footer. Let's now go to the top and have a look on the next page. So then before the blog page, let's have a look on our contact page. I will show you how to create this beautiful contact page. Here on the left side, we will have our Google map. And on the right side, I will show you how to create this beautiful contact form. By using this contact form, your customers can contact with you. And then I will also show you how to create this address, phone numbers, and open hours section. Alright, let's now have a look on our blog page. So if we now go to the blog page, here I will show you how to create this beautifully designed blog page. Now here we can see only 3 blog posts. Then if we click on this load more button, then another 3 blog posts will be shown here. In the same way, let's click on the load more, the more blog posts will be shown. So it would be functioning in complete professional way. And from the blog page, if we click on any single blog post, let's now click on this blog post. So here we have got our single blog post page. Here we can see the big featured image and then here is the blog title. Also we can create the blog category, the author name, and here we can see the blog details. Underneath our single blog post page, we can see the tags. Also people can share your blog post by clicking on any of these social media icons. Also people can leave their opinion by using this comment form. Alright. Can you believe we will be creating all of this without doing a single line of coding? I'm a professional web developer. I usually charge $2,000 to $3,000 for creating this type of professional website. But if you follow this tutorial, you don't have to spend a single dollar on a web developer. As you are learning from a real web developer, it will save you a lot of time and money. I'm really excited. If you're excited like me, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. It would mean the world to me. Alright, we will be creating this beautiful website in easy 4 steps. First, I will show you how to get your own domain name and web hosting. Also, I will provide you a 50% discount link. Then I will show you how to install WordPress. Then how to install a free page builder called Elementor and a free theme called Phlox. Then we will start customizing our amazing website. Also, I will be adding a timestamp in the description so you can always jump to the necessary part you need. So first of all, what is a domain name? Domain name is basically your website address. Like Facebook has facebook.com, Amazon has amazon.com, I have jimfahaddigital.com. Similarly, for your website, you need an address that will be your website name.com. And what is web hosting? Web hosting is the storage space for your website. All the images, texts you will have in your website, all will be stored on your own web hosting. As you are owning your own web hosting, so there wouldn't be any limitation. You can run ads, you can upload any text or images, you can upload any themes or plugins you want. You are in charge of your own website. Okay, now how to get your own domain name and web hosting. So first, just click on the very first link in the description below this video, or you can go to jimfahaddigital.com/hosting. And this will take you to a special discounted Bluehost page. So why Bluehost? In my opinion, Bluehost is the best web hosting provider. I'm a web developer. I tried so many other web hosting companies. I don't want to mention their name, but I personally ended up using Bluehost. Hundreds of my clients using Bluehost and they never complain about using it. If you see my Bluehost account, I have hosted tons of websites here and I never get a downtime. Their customer support is really cooperative in case you need any help, and their price is really affordable. That's why I always recommend Bluehost. So now click on Get Started. Here you can see their different plans. The main difference between them, with the basic plan, you can host only one domain. You can take their Plus or Choice Plus plan if you want to host unlimited domains. Also, you can take their Pro plan if you have millions of visitors on your website already. I recommend starting with the basic plan. Then in future, you can upgrade that anytime. Now let's select the basic plan. Now we will select our domain name. If you already have a domain name that you want to use, you can just go ahead here on the right. But for now, I'm gonna get a new one. Now here, let's try for something like apple.com and click next. It says the domain apple.com cannot be used on Bluehost. Please try a different domain name. It should be because we cannot take that because we all know that's Apple's official website. So we will be typing our own domain name here, and also if you click on the right side, you can see .site, .net, .info websites. I always recommend to take .com websites because it looks more professional and legit. So I'm gonna type here, let's say our elementor.com, as we are going to make our website through Elementor page builder, and now click on next. It says our elementor.com is available. That's awesome. And here we need to put our account information. I'm putting mine here really fast only to not make you bored. Okay, here you can see the business name field. If you don't have a business, just keep it blank or put your full name. But here's the most important thing, that's your email address. Make sure you put your correct email address because after completing purchase, a receipt will be sent to that email address. So make sure you put your best email address here. Alright, now scroll down. Here's the package information. And it's automatically set to 36 months. And this is gonna be your cheapest plan. So yes, you're paying for 36 months upfront, but it comes out to only around $3.95 a month. So this is 50% off. That's gonna be your biggest discount. Now what I recommend is to just do 12 months if you don't want to commit to the 36 months or 24 months. It's still 33% saving and it's only around $5.95 a month. And you also have your domain name for 12 months. So no more additional cost for your domain for these 12 months. And here you got package extras. First, here is the option for domain privacy. Having domain privacy is good, and I always recommend having domain privacy so no one gets to know who is the owner of the website. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm deselecting this one. Let's click on turn it off. Because I don't want to hide myself at this moment, I want to be transparent, so if anyone knows I own this website, I have no problem. You can keep this one checked if you want, not a big deal. I'm also deselecting all other options they are offering. We actually don't need that. They are just upselling their stuff. Alright, now you can see the price is now only $71.40 for the full year, including the domain. That's awesome. And I'm legally obligated to tell you that this is my affiliate link. So I do get a little bit of commission off of this, but it does save you a ton of money. And it helps fund these free YouTube tutorials what I'm doing. So everybody wins. I really appreciate it. And here is the payment information. I'm putting my credit card number here, expiration date and CVV code. Then select this one here so that you are agreed to their terms and policy. Now click on submit. It says your purchase was a success. Also, you can see here is your receipt. They will also send it to your email. I'm also waiting to get that email. Meantime, we can create our Bluehost account. So let's click on this create account button here. Here's the domain name that's automatically selected. Now let's create our password. Create a really strong password combining capital letters, numbers, special characters. You know how to make a strong password. And then retype the password in the second field. Now check this once again that you have agreed with their terms and policy. Now click on create account. I already have received an email to confirm my purchase. So I'm opening my email. You will also get an email like this. Then click here, verify your email. It's very important. So it's now verified. Awesome. Now let's log in into our Bluehost account with the domain name and password we have just created. If you are logging in for the first time, you may see a pop-up like this. Like it says, let's create a website. Bluehost actually want to help you to make the website. Just click at the very bottom there. I'm not creating a website because I will be showing you everything step by step, and skip all of these pop-ups because we don't need any of that. Cool! We have successfully registered our domain name and web hosting. Congratulations! So far, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I will try my best to help you personally. So now we can move on to step number 2, which is to install WordPress. And for some reason, if you logged out, then log in again. Now from left menu bar, click on My Sites. Then you can click here Create Site or here Create a WordPress site. I'm clicking here. Sometimes after clicking on My Sites, you may see this My Sites. From there, just click here on Add Site. Then you can see here two options. One is limitless customization and another one is fast, easy site building. As we will be creating our website using an amazing page builder, the Elementor page builder, that's why we will be selecting this option, the limitless customization. So just click here on Get Started. So let's now add a site name and site tagline. We can change that anytime. So I'm putting a site name Jim Fahad Production and site tagline, it deserves to be seen. Now let's click on Advanced. Here you need to put your email address, your username and password for your WordPress. So I'm putting my email address here. WordPress admin username, I want to name it Jim Fahad. And here let's put a password. Do you want to see my password? I'm clicking here on show. So it's ABC123. I will of course show you how you can change it later. So for now, click on next. Close this browser pop-up. Now it says where we want to install our WordPress. So make sure you keep this directory blank. And here is your domain name selected. And Bluehost here is suggesting some free plugins, but we don't need that. Let's deselect this all. Now click next. Awesome, it says WordPress installed successfully. Now you can copy these informations right here and save that somewhere on your computer where you can access it again later. And click here to show your password. Actually, I intentionally gave this an easy password that's ABC123. Never ever use this kind of easy password. I'm showing you shortly how you can change that password. We can now sign into WordPress by clicking here, but this is not the usual way because all the time you cannot log in this way. I mean from this page, this button, right? So you should get used to signing into WordPress all the time is by going up to a new window and typing in your domain name /wp-admin. So I'm typing here my domain name Elementor.com /wp-admin and click enter. So we can see our WordPress login page here. That means WordPress has installed successfully. Sometimes it takes 30 minutes to 24 hours to process this installation, and this process is called propagation. It basically has to let everyone know that, hey, this new domain name now exists and registered. But we can see our website instantly. They actually say it might take 30 minutes to 24 hours, but I've been using Bluehost for more than 10 years. I always get domain live immediately. Actually, that's another reason why I love Bluehost. So now you know that your domain name is working. So go ahead and just gonna type in my name, which was the user that I created, and I'm gonna type that easy password ABC123. You can click this eye icon to show it. Now let's click on login. So we are now inside WordPress admin panel or WordPress dashboard. So from here I will be showing you everything step by step. First of all, let's click here on the dashboard from the left menu bar. By the way, don't worry about all these links because during this tutorial I will explain about all these options. For now, I just wanna clean up the WordPress dashboard, so let's close this one. Now let's minimize all of this. Also, let's minimize this one and this one. Also, let's close this notification pop-up. And here you will also find another option says screen options. From here you can just turn off all of them because we actually don't need any of them right now. So I'm disabling everything and click screen options again. Alright, now before doing anything, I just want to change that easy password that we have given at the beginning of this tutorial. So to change that easy password, from here, if we hover over on user, from there just go to profile. And here you will find admin color scheme. This is the default one. If you want, you can change it to light or you can change it to modern. Actually, it doesn't matter because only you can see this color scheme. So I'm keeping it the default one. And then if we scroll down, here you will find the option for display name publicly as. So let's say in future, if you wanna run a blog and then there you may want to display a name as the author of that blog post or the owner of your website. Like if we have a look on this blog post here, you can see it's by Jim Fahad. Jim Fahad is the author of this blog or of this website. So you can change these author names from this place. So let's say here you can see display name publicly as. By default, I am setting it to Jim Fahad. But also I can change it to other name by giving it a first name, last name, all this. But let's keep it the way it is. Also, you can change your email address from here. Alright, so let's now change our easy password. To change it from here under the account management, just click here on the set new password. Here WordPress is suggesting a very strong password, but I want to create a password that easily memorable for me. So first I'm clicking on this hide so you can't see my password. And here I'm giving a password that easily rememberable for me. Though it says weak, but for now I'm happy with it. So here I'm clicking confirm use of weak password. Now scroll down and click on update profile. Alright, and like I said, now I wanna clean up my WordPress dashboard a bit more. So to do it, I just wanna delete all the unnecessary plugins. Now from left, if we hover over on plugins, we can click on installed plugins. So here we can see some plugins that came with WordPress default, but actually I don't want any of these plugins. By the way, if you wonder what is a WordPress plugin is basically extra add-on or extra app-like thing that extend the functionality of your existing website. Let's say if you want to do some SEO work for your website, there is a standalone plugin for that. So you need to install that plugin and use that. Actually, each plugin has its own purpose, but on our restaurant website, we basically don't need any of these plugins. So first, I just want to select all of them. You can click here one by one to select them, or if you click here, you can select them all together. And then from here, bulk action, I'm clicking on deactivate, then click on apply. Now after deactivating all these plugins, let's now select all the plugins again. Now from bulk action, click on delete and then click on apply. Now browser pop-up says I'm sure or not. Yes, I'm sure. So click on OK. So now our all unnecessary plugin has been deleted. Actually, personally, I like to work in a very clean environment. So I always delete the unnecessary things. Now from left bar, let's go to pages to all pages. Here we can also see some pages that came with default WordPress installation, but we don't want these pages with our website. So I'm selecting all, and from bulk action, click on move to trash and then click on apply. So all the default or unnecessary pages has been deleted. Now I just wanna do another basic settings. So to do that, just hover over on settings, and from there, let's now click on permalinks. From here, you see the permalink settings is set to plain by default, but I wanna set it to post name. Why am I setting to post name? Because if you have a look here, if we set the permalink to the plain, then for example, if we have our about us page, that URL would be like our website name.com, then this type of bizarre weird number. So instead of plain, if we set our permalink to post name, then our about us page URL would be like our website name.com / about us. So it's easy to remember. Also, it's good for search engine optimization. So here I have set it to post name. Now scroll down and click on save changes. So we are almost done with the basic settings of our website. Now I wanna install our page builder plugin. And you know, we will be using Elementor page builder. So to get Elementor page builder for free, you can just go to jimfahaddigital.com. I will put this page's link in the description. From that page, if you scroll down a bit, here you will find important links. From there, you can see here download Elementor free version. Just click there. Then Elementor free version will start downloading automatically. Now let's go back inside WordPress dashboard, and from left here, if we hover over on plugins, from there just click here on add new. Now from top here you see upload plugins, click there. Now click here on choose file. So this is the file, this is the Elementor free version we have downloaded recently. Select it and click on open, and then click on install now. Now click here on activate plugin. Awesome, we have successfully installed Elementor page builder plugin. So at this point, let's now have a look how our website is looking. So from top, if we hover over on our site name, then here you will see the visit site link. I'm opening it from a new tab. So let's now have a look. Right now it looks super boring, super plain. So we need to create our beautiful website out of this. Now the first thing we need to do, we need to change the theme of our website, because this look and feel is coming from the current theme and we will be using other theme to make it really cool. Alright, so to change our theme, let's go back inside WordPress dashboard. Now from here, if we hover over on appearance, from there just click on themes. And here you can see the 2021 theme is activated. Also here you can see some other themes that came with WordPress default. Actually, you know what? I don't wanna use any of these. I wanna use another theme called Phlox. So to add another theme, we need to click here on this add new button. Also, you can click here on this big add new button. I'm clicking here. So from this place you will find a lot of pre-made themes, and like I said, theme is basically the look and feel of your website. So now from the top right corner here, I'm searching for a theme that's name is Phlox. Here it is. So from here just click on this button says install and then click on activate. Awesome, we have successfully installed the Phlox theme, because here we can see the activated theme is the Phlox theme. Now here at the top we can see a pop-up. It's not actually a pop-up, it's just a notification bar. So it says thanks for choosing Phlox. To take full advantages of Phlox theme and enabling demo importer, please install core plugins. So now click here on install Phlox core plugin. Alright, it started installing and right now it's activating. And here we go, it says welcome to Phlox theme, and just make sure you're under this Phlox tab from the left side. So from here we can see this is the dashboard, and here is the demo importer, here is the template kits. We will be going under the demo importer there. Alright, here under the demo importer we can see there are lots of pre-built demo websites, and here if you have a look, some of them are free and some of them are pro. Like here if you see the green import button, that means these are free, and if you see this pro only badge with it, you will only get that with their paid version of the theme. By the way, on their paid version they have really unique and awesome designed pre-built websites. I will also put their paid version themes link in the description, but for now we will be using a free demo website. And here one thing I don't like about them, they should have a search bar here, but I talked with them and they have ensured me whenever you are watching this tutorial you will find here a search option. But as right now there is no search option, so you need to manually search for the beauty salon. Or you can do another thing, if you're using PC you can press Ctrl F to find anything or search anything, and if you're using Mac then you can press Command F to find for it. Here I'm typing beauty, and here we have got our starter kit. It says beauty salon. Now just click here on this green import button. Okay, now here we have got a notice. It says for better and faster result, it's recommended to install the demo on a clean WordPress website. So just remember you are doing everything like I have shown. Like I have deleted all the unnecessary plugins, all the unnecessary pages. So we are good to go. Now just click here on this continue button. Alright, now it says we need these plugins. So to install these plugins, you don't need to go back to your plugins and install them one by one. You just need to click here on this install plugins button. Now they are installing and activating automatically. Alright, all those 3 plugins has been installed and activated. Now this one says remove watermarks. Alright, so when we will be using this starter template kit or starter website, then on the all images there will be an watermark, and that should be because we don't own these images. I mean, we don't have the licenses for using these images. But let's say if you are a user of Envato Elements, if you have a paid subscription of Envato Elements, then you will get all these images. But I'm assuming you are not a paid subscriber of Envato Elements, so for now just click here on this skip button. Okay, now this portion is important. Here it says important demo content of Phlox theme. From here you can just click on this option, selected data only, and you can select, let's say, just a media or pages or posts. But I highly recommend for the first option, this one. It says complete pre-built website. Just select it and click here on import content. So it's started importing the demo content, and here you see it says this process may take 5 to 10 minutes to complete. Please do not close or refresh this page. Alright, as it says it will take 5 to 10 minutes, so I'm coming back after 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, now it says congratulations, demo has been successfully imported. For now, let's just close it. Now let's have a look what we have got. So to check it from here pages, let's now go to all pages. Now here we have got all these pages from the imported website, but from here I will only keep the Elementor pages. Like here after about page you can see here Elementor also with the blog page, with the contact page, with the home page, and with the services page. Without the Elementor pages, I wanna delete all those pages, so just select this one, cancellation, getting started, how it works, photo gallery. I just wanna delete these pages, so from here bulk action, now click on move to trash and click on apply. Alright, so we have got these 5 pages about blog, contact, home and services. All these pages are editable through Elementor Page Builder. So first let's now have a look on the home page. So to view the page, just click here on the view. I'm just opening it from a new tab. And here is our beautiful home page. Here we can see the beautiful banner and here is the services section. Let's now scroll down to the next section. Here is your story section. And here I wanna mention another thing. All these are editable through Elementor Page Builder. All these images, all this text, all these buttons, all these links, you can change anything using Elementor Page Builder. Also, let's say if you wanna keep these images, you can do that. But if you have a look, this images has a watermark with it. So I will show you how to use your own images by replacing these watermark images. Even I will provide you some images, so if you don't have your own image, you can use those images as well. Alright, so let's have a look on the home page. Here we have got the beautiful appointment section. We have got the appointment form here. I will show you how to set up that. Let's now scroll down. Here we have the beautiful testimonial section, and then here is the recent post section, so we can see all the recent blog posts here inside. Now let's scroll down. Here we have got our global footer. Alright, so let's now start editing our website, and I will be starting from the home page. Let's now close this page from here. Now to edit our home page, this is our dashboard and here is the home page. If we hover over on the home page, here we can see a link. It says edit with Elementor. I'm also opening this link from a new tab. So right now we are inside Elementor Page Builder. Like I said, from this beautiful page builder, you can change any images, any text just by clicking over it. And like I said, literally everything, each and every images, if you wanna change, you can do that from using this awesome page builder plugin. But before customizing this page, I just wanna make you familiar with the Elementor fundamental or Elementor basics. So first of all, let's say this is our first banner section and this is our second section. For example, if you wanna take a section in between these two sections, you just need to click here on this plus icon and then click again on this red plus icon. From here you can select any of this structure like 1 column, 2 column, 3 column or any of these structures. I'm selecting this single column structure. Now here inside this blue border, whatever you can see, this blank space, this is our section. You can increase the section's height from left. So from here you can see height. Let's set it to minimum height. Then if we drag this bar to the right, you see the height is increasing. So everything we can see within this blue line, this is our section. Then inside here, everything inside this gray dashed line is our column. And inside this column, we need to drag and drop all the elements or widgets. I'm giving you a quick example. So let's just click on this plus icon. Now from left, let's just drag this heading widget inside here. Now if I wanna change this text from left, I'm just typing here awesome salon. Then if you wanna make its alignment to center, just click here to make it centered. Then to do some styling with it, from top click on the style tab. From here you can change the text color by using this color picker. Let's say if you wanna make it red or if you wanna make it blue like this, maybe a darker blue. So you can drag this color picker to the bottom in this place. Then you can do some work with its typography. Just click on this pencil icon. You can set the font family from here. You can see here is a huge list of font families. So from here I'm just typing Poppins. All these are Google fonts. I'm selecting Poppins font. Now you can change the size by dragging this bar to the right. You can play with its weight from here. So I'm setting it to 900. You see it's now more bolder. You can work with transform. I'm making it all uppercase. You can work with its style. I'm making it italic. Decoration, here I'm making it underline. Now if you wanna also work with the spacing of this heading, then you just need to go under this advanced tab. Now for example, if you want to add some space at the top and bottom, then you can do that using this padding option. First of all, just click here to unlink the padding. Then on the top I want to add 20 pixel of padding. You see there is 20 pixel of spacing has been added. Also I want to add that spacing at the bottom. So from here bottom I'm adding 20 pixel of padding. It's easy like this. Now for example, if you want to add a button underneath this heading, then from left just click here on this Rubik's Cube icon, and here is the button widget. Just drag this widget underneath this heading here. So from here, instead of click here, I want to write here show more. Then let's make the alignment to centered, and here is the link option. So you can link this button to any of your website's page, or if you want to link it to Facebook, you can do that. If you want to link it to my website jimfahaddigital.com, you can do that. So here let's say I want to link this show more to our about us page. So here you can just put the link of your about us page. That will be, for example, your website name.com/about us. Or if you have already your about us page here, you can just type here about. Here it's showing our about page. So just select the about page from here. You see it's our elementor.com/about. Alright, now to do some styling with it, exactly like the heading, just go under its style tab. From here you can do all the typography, text shadow, text color, background type, everything. So here I'm just showing how to change the color. From here, this color picker, you can make the button background color to red, then the text color from here. Let's make it a greenish color, like this one, light green. Alright. So similar like this heading widget and this button widget, you can find a list of free elements or widgets here. If you just click here on this Rubik's Cube icon, you can see here inner section, image, video, divider, and there is a huge list of that. So from this left widgets, you can just drag this from left to the right in this way. You see, it's simple like it. So if you want to create your website from scratch by doing each of these designs by yourself, you can do that. But we don't need to do all these hard works because this website is already designed by professionals. Here I was just trying to make you familiar with the Elementor page builder. So I hope you are already comfortable with that. Now I want to delete this example section. So to delete it, just click here on this X icon. Now let's start customizing our homepage from top. So here first we can see a beautiful text. It says beautiful balayage. Now if you want to change this text, just click over this text. Now from left you see this beautiful text is coming from here. It says beautiful. Now instead of beautiful, if you want it to say awesome, you can write that, and here on the right you see it's become awesome instantly. Now probably you are thinking the corner of the E is cut off, but it's not, because on the left we have got a huge space for the Elementor page builder. On real website we have no left bar like this. So to have the real feel, we can just minimize the Elementor builder, the Elementor bar. So just click here. Now on the real website it will look like this. Alright, now expand the Elementor page builder. Now if you want to change this balayage text, you can do that from here. So this awesome was under the heading and this balayage is under the secondary heading here. So if you want to change the secondary heading, you can change that from this place. And then if you want to change this paragraph text, you can change that from here. Just click over this description. From here you can change this paragraph text to your own text. Now let's have a look how you can work with this button. So to work with anything, you just need to click over that element. Right now we want to work with this button element, so just click over this button element. Now from left here, instead of our services, if you want to say any other thing, you can just type here inside this field. Then here's the link option. So I want to link this button to our services page. So here I'm just typing services. So from here just select the services page. You see, it's very simple. Now let's change this image to other image. To change this image, just click over this image. Then from left you can select any other image. To do it, just click over this image. And now if you have your own image, you can just upload this image here and then click on insert media. Or let's say if you don't have your own image, then you can just go to some free stock images websites. Like you can go to here pixels.com, or you can go to pixabay.com. From here you can search here, I'm typing makeup and hit enter. So here you can see there are thousands of images. You can select any of them, or if you have your own images, you can select those. And also I will provide some images. To get those images, you can just go to jimfahaddigital.com. I will provide this page's link in the description. From that page, inside these important links, if you click on this download the images I use in this tutorial, you will get all the images I will be using on this tutorial. Alright, so go back to Elementor page builder. From here, I'm clicking on select files. So basically after downloading the file, you will get all these images, all these folders. Now inside the home folder, I'm selecting this image, click on open, and now click on insert media. So here we have got the beautiful image without the watermark. Alright, now let's go to the next section. This is the services section. So let's say you have got these 3 services. One is for tattoo, another one is for makeup, and this one is for nails. And right now you're thinking you may have 6 services. So what you need to do on that case? Very simple. You can just duplicate this. Right click over these 6 dots and click on duplicate. So here underneath you have got 3 new services. I'm just showing you how to do that, but I don't need these 3, so I'm just deleting by clicking on this X. Now let's have a look how to change this text and images. You know, it's very simple, just click over this text. So if you want to change the text that says beauty salon, you can change that from under the secondary heading here. You can change that from beauty salon, this text, and if you want to change the tattoo to any other text, for example, here I'm typing here, you see it says here, but let's keep it tattoo. So here I'm typing again tattoo. Alright, now if you want to change the image, you already guessed it, just click over the image and you can change that from here. I'm again uploading it from my desktop, and this time I'm uploading all these images together because I will be needing all of these images very soon. So just click on open. So from here for the tattoo service, I'm selecting this image. Now click on insert media. For the makeup one, I'm selecting this image. Let's change the image. From here, I'm selecting this image, click on insert media. For the third one, the nails one, let's click over this image. From here, I'm selecting this image, click on insert media. Alright, now let's go to the next section. This is the story section. Here you can talk about your beauty salon, you can talk about your own story, and also you can change this image with your own image, but here I wanna put my own image, so click over it, and from left, here I'm uploading the image. Let's select this one, click on insert media. Now on the right text, if you want to change all this text, just click over it, and you know, you can change the our story text from here, the beauty text, the beauty salon, this text from the secondary heading here, and the paragraph, you can change that from inside the description field. Also, let's now click on this read more button. I want to link this read more to our about page. So here I'm just typing about. This is our about page. Let's select the about page. Alright, let's now go to the next section. This is a call to action section. Okay, let's first change this background image. So in this case, if we just click over it, we cannot see any image changing option on the left side because this is coming from the background image. To change the background image, just click on this column icon first, then go under its style tab. From here, the background image is coming, so just click over the image, and I'm replacing the image with this one. Click on insert media. Alright, and here we have got a big how to work button. If you want, you can keep that. If you don't want, just right click here and click on delete. But I wanna keep it because it will work as a click to pop-up button. I'm showing you shortly. Just click over this button, and here you can put any of your YouTube video link. So the video link you will put here, after clicking on this button, the video will pop up over this place. It won't work inside the Elementor page builder, but if you want to see it in real, then for the moment just click here on this green update button to save all of our works, and then to preview it, just click here on this eyeball icon. So right now outside of the Elementor page builder, we can see here the real preview. So let's now scroll down and go to that call to action section. Here it is. If we now click on this how to work button, you see here we have got the beautiful pop-up with the YouTube video. So if you want to change the YouTube video with other video from inside Elementor page builder, you need to paste the YouTube video link here. Alright, now let's go to the next section. This is the quick booking appointment section. Here on the left you can put any image. So first let's change this image to other image. I'm selecting this image, click on insert media. Now on the right side we have got a form, and we need to work with this form inside the WordPress dashboard. So I'm showing you how to do that from inside WordPress dashboard very shortly, just after completing our below section. So just go to the next section. Here it is our client testimonial section. So from here you can put your best client's review or your best client's testimonial. Here you can put that client's image. I'm changing this image to other image without this watermark. So let's select the image. Let's select it and click on insert media. And on the right side, you guessed it already, just click over this, and from left you can change the heading artist from here, the secondary heading from here, and the description from this place. Also, if you wanna change this text, it says makeup service, so that means this customer has taken your makeup service and after the service they have put this review. If you wanna change this text, just click over it and you can change that from inside this text editor. Alright, now let's go to the next section. This is the recent post section. So all these are coming from your blog posts. I will talk about this section after creating our blog section. After creating our blog page. I will also show you how to create a blog, how to write a blog from scratch, and how to create your blog page. So these 3 blog pages are coming from your blogs, but here I'm just showing you another thing. Like if you want to select this, just click here on this blue pencil icon. Now from left you can decide how many posts you wanna show inside the home page. Like here we can see only 3 blog posts, but we have more blog posts on our real blog site. From there, let's say instead of 3, if you wanna display here 6 blog posts, then instead of 3 I'm setting it to 6. Now let's have a look here, 1 2 3, and if you scroll down we have got another 3 blog posts here. I have put here 6 only to show you, but I just wanna show here 3 blog posts, so I'm changing it to 3. Right now it's showing only 3 blog posts. And right after that, here we have got the global footer. I will show you that during our footer customization. Other than that, we have done with our beautiful homepage. We have done these testimonials. We have done the previous, this call to action section. We have done this story section. Then here we have done the services section. And here we have got our beautiful banner section. Then I will of course show you how to change this logo with your own logo. Even I will also show you how to create a logo for free. Then how to create these menus. Let's have a look. If we click on this menu, here we have got all the menu items. I'll also show you how to change this image with your own image. So let's close it. Okay, so now I wanna show you how to do that form. How to do that booking form. Here is our appointment booking form. And like I said, we need to do that from inside the WordPress dashboard. So whatever we have done on the homepage, to save it, just click here on this green update button. Otherwise, our all hard work will be gone. So never ever forget to click on this update button whenever you make any change on the website. Alright, let's now do some work with this form. So first here I wanna show you one thing. Just click here on this blue pencil icon to select this form. I'm clicking on this blue pencil icon. On the left, you see it's coming from contact form 7 shortcode, and here is the shortcode. I want you to focus on the ID name. The ID name here is ID name, not its ID name, it's ID number. The ID number is 46. Just remember this 46, and let's go back to our WordPress dashboard on the other tab. So from our WordPress dashboard on the left, if we now hover over on contacts, from there just click on contact forms. Okay, so inside the contact forms, here we have got 3 forms, but I said you to focus on the ID name. So here we can see this form, it says booking form 2 and its ID name is 46. That means this form is placed inside the homepage booking form here. Now if you want to do anything with this form, we need to work with this booking form 2. Alright, so to work with it, just click here on this edit button. First, let's close this notification. Okay, these codes may seem messy, but they are really very simple. To make it more simpler, I'm just making some line breaks. So after this bracket, I'm hitting enter to make it a separated line. Also after this one, and here after this one. Alright, I think you can now see all this properly. So let me make this very easy for you. Here you can see one, it says full name, and here this one says time, this one says the select services, and this one says the phone. If we now have a look on the form here, You see, first one is for full name, the second one is for time, and then here it says select services. So here we can see only nails, makeup, tattoo here, and a dot dot dot. I will show you how to change this. Then here is the field for phone, and here is the field for note. Okay, now I want to keep this full name, so here let's keep this full name, let's keep it the way it is. Now the second one, I don't want to keep this time, because if we have a look on the form, they don't need a separated field to put the time, because if they want to talk about their time, they can put inside this note. But here one important thing is missing, that's their email address, because whenever you will receive this contact form information on your email address, you need to reply back to their email address. But if they don't put their email address in this field, where will you send their message, right? So we need to capture their email address. So here instead of this time field, I want to put email field here. To do that, from inside the contact form, I'm removing the time field from here. Then make sure you put your cursor in this place, and then from top click on email. So it will basically create an email field for you. If you want to make the email field required, then click here on this required field, and then I want to put some placeholder text. It should say email, and I want to make it as a placeholder, so I'm just selecting this placeholder. Alright, now the shortcode has been created here. Then click on insert tag. You see it's added here inside the form. After the full name, here we have got the email field, and after the email field, here we have got the select services that we can see here in this place. You see select services, so we can see nails, makeups, tattoo, and here if we have a look on the form builder, you see these are coming from this place. It says nails, makeup, tattoo here. So instead of this, if you want to put here your own services, so instead of here, I'm just putting here a dummy service name, so I'm typing here service 1. Then instead of this dot dot dot, just copy this service 1, and instead of dot dot dot, I'm putting here service 2. And if you have more services, then you can just copy this. After the service 2, put a space and paste the service 2 here. Instead of service 2, I wanna say it service 3. Okay, for the moment, to save it, just scroll down and click here on save. Now only to check if it's working or not, just go inside Elementor page builder, and if we now refresh the page, let's scroll to the form section, scroll down more. So here we have got our quick booking appointment. Now here have a look. After the full name, it says email, because we have set the email field. And now if we click on select services, here we can see nails, makeups, tattoo, and then here service 1, 2, and 3. In this way, you can put your own services name in this place. And yep, then the phone number is fine, because some of you are comfortable to talk over phone to your client. And then here is the note. Alright, so we are done with the form fields. Now we need to do some work with its settings. So to do it, just go inside the contact form. So we are done with this form creation. Now from top, just click on the mail to do some settings. Alright, first of all, here you can see the to field. Here you need to put your own email address where you want to receive all the information you are getting from the contact form. So here I'm putting my email address, that's elementor@jimfahaddigital.com. Now here it says from. So here I just wanted to say beauty salon, and I am just removing the Phlox Elementor this stuff. And here this one is important. After the WordPress @ you need to put your domain name. So our domain name is our elementor.com. So here I'm just selecting our elementor.com. Let's copy it, and inside here, instead of the demo.phlox.pro, here I'm pasting our elementor.com. Now there is no error message here. And then here it says the subject field. So whenever you will receive a message, what should the subject say? I just want to keep it simple, so it would say beauty salon. I'm just removing all other text. Okay, now inside additional headers, it says reply to your email, but we don't have any field that says your email. We need to put the field name here that's responsible for email capturing. So our shortcode name is email112. Now I'm just copying email 112, and then instead of your email, I'm pasting our email 112 shortcode here. Now you see there is no other error here. Now here is the last thing, and I know you're pretty much confused in this time, but after doing this message body option, you will be very clear about all of this. Okay, so from here I'm removing this extra text, and then also, okay, let's remove everything from here. I'm removing everything. So first here I'm typing message details, and then first we will be collecting the customer's name. So here I'm typing full name, and then we need to put here the full name shortcode. The full name will come from this one, text 791. I'm copying it and let's paste the shortcode here. Now hit enter. Then here I'm typing email. Now just copy this email shortcode from here and paste it inside this place. Then hit enter. So the next field is for the service the client is asking for. So here I'm writing services. From here the services will come from the shortcode. It says menu 494, so I'm copying the shortcode and pasting it here. Now next one, it would be the phone number. So phone number, that would be the tel916, this shortcode. Paste the shortcode here. And the last one, this would be the main message. So here I'm typing message, and the shortcode will be this one. Just copy this shortcode and paste it here. I hope you have already got the idea. You need to use the exact shortcodes that will be up here at the top of this form here. If you wonder where are these coming from, just go under this form again, and here if you have a look, with the full name here we have got a ID. It says text-791. With the email, here is another one, email 112. With the service, here is menu 494, like this. So let's go back to mail. Okay, so we have almost set up everything. Our email will go to this email address. You need to put your own email address in this place. We have set the from to our own WordPress at the domainname.com. Then here is the subject, here is the additional header, and here we have created our message body. Okay, so when you are done with all of this, from bottom, just click here on this save button. Let's now go inside Elementor page builder, or we can now just go to the preview page here. This was our preview page. Let's now refresh the page. Okay, now from this page, let's now go to the form, our booking form. Okay, I'm scrolling down to the booking form section. Here we have got our quick booking appointment section. Okay, so for the moment, I am the customer. I'm browsing this website and I need an appointment on the beauty salon. So I'm filling up this form. So here I'm typing my full name. That's Jim Fahad. Here I'm putting my email address. That's jim@jimfahaddigital.com. .com. Now let's say from the services, here I'm selecting service 1. Here I'm putting my phone number. Of course, this is not my real phone number. And here inside the note, I'm typing, I want a exotic haircut. Alright. Now as a customer, if I click on this booking button, it says, thank you for your message. It has been sent. Now as the website owner, you will receive an email like this. Here I already have received that. Let's open that email. Now here you see this email is coming from Beauty Salon, and I have received this email to Elementor@jimfahaddigital.com because I have put the two address to this email address, and here inside the message details I can see the customer's full name is Jim Fahad. Here I have got his email address. Here is the service's name is service 1. Here is the phone number. Of course it is a fake phone number. And here is the message. He says, I want a exotic haircut. Alright, so as the website owner, you can reply to your customer. So you can just reply him, sure, please come at 7 p.m, 8 p.m, or 10 p.m, the way you want to reply. Alright, I have you got the idea. So we are done with our beautiful home page. Let's just have a final look. Here we have got the story section. Here we have got the call to action section. If we click on this button, here will be the video pop-up. Okay, let's click outside. Let's go to the next section. Here is our appointment form and it's working perfectly. Now let's go to the next section. This is our testimonial section. And now if we scroll down here, we've got the recent posts. These are all the recent blog posts. And if you scroll down here, we have got our global footer. Also, if you click on go to top button, it jumps to the top of our home page. Awesome. By the way, if you just wonder our website is responsive or not, like you may think if our website is responsive for tablet device or mobile device, then you can just go back to Elementor Page Builder and you can check the responsiveness from inside Elementor Page Builder. To do that, from here you can see a button, it says responsive mode. Click there. Now from top, if you click on the tablet device icon, from here we can see the tablet device view, and these are made by professional designers, so there is nothing to worry about is responsiveness. Like here we can see the responsiveness for the tablet device and everything is looking perfect here. If we just scroll down, here is the testimonial section, here is the latest news section. Let's scroll down to the next section. Actually here we have got our footer, so everything is looking perfect on tablet device. And to check it how it's looking on mobile device, just from top click on the mobile device icon. On the mobile device everything is looking great. If we click on this hamburger, here we can see the navigation menus. Let's click on this X. Now let's scroll down, everything is looking great on mobile device as well. So here is our form, everything is looking great. Here is the testimonial and here is the recent blog posts, and here we have got our global footer. So like I said, there is nothing to worry about the responsiveness of our website. Now from top right corner, click on the X icon to exit the responsiveness. Alright, now we will be moving forward to our other pages like our services page, about page, blog page and contact page. But before doing that, I wanna show you how to customize this header. Like first I will show you how to create a logo for free using an online tool and how to place that logo on your website header. Then how you can edit or adjust your navigation menu. So if we click on this navigation menu, here you can see the menu items. I will show you how to add new menu items or how to edit these menu items. Also of course I will show you how to change this image with your own image. Now let's close it. And also if we just go to our footer, let's scroll down. I will show you how to customize this footer top area, also this bottom footer. Okay, so let's now first start with the logo of our website. Now have a look how to create a logo for free using an online tool. So to create our logo, we will be going to our website. It's logomaker.com. Actually, it's logo maker without the E. So first here you can see a pop-up video. It is trying to instruct us how to do that, but we don't need that because I will be showing you how to do that. So let's close it. Now first I will be searching for some icons that we'll be using for the logo, as it's a parlor website or it's a salon website. So here I'm searching for something like flower, then hit enter. So here you can see thousands of flowers icons. From them let's select one. So I like this one, let's select it. And I wanna drag it to the left side here. Now I wanna add some text on the right. So to do that, from here click over this text. First I wanna type here awesome. You can make it bigger, smaller by just dragging its corner in this way. If we drag it to inner, it's becoming smaller. If we just dragging it to the outside, you see it's becoming bigger. Okay, this size is perfect for me. Now from here, if we click on styles, let's make it left aligned. And then I'm just dragging it a bit right here in this place. Alright, then you can change its fonts from top. From here, by default it's railway, but instead of railway I'm selecting it to Open Sans. And then underneath the awesome, I wanna write Salon. It's very easy, just right click over it and first let's duplicate it. Now I'm dragging it the bottom of the awesome text. Now double click over it and here I'm typing Salon. Now I want to make this Salon word a bit bold. So from here click on this styles and let's make it bold by clicking on this bold icon. Alright, now I wanna make this awesome and Salon, these both text colors to black color. We can select it one by one, but I wanna select these two. So just drag over these two together. Now from this color wheel, let's just drag it to the black color. Perfect, our beautiful logo is ready. So now if you want to save this logo, from the top right corner click here on save logo. Now, if you want a very high resolution image, then you need to pay them $19. But for our website, we don't need a very high resolution image. I'm happy with a low resolution file. So here bottom it says no thanks, download low resolution file. Just click there. It's downloaded. Alright, now let's close logomaker.com. Now we need to go back to our WordPress dashboard, not inside Elementor dashboard. So to go back to our WordPress dashboard, you can just click on this hamburger icon, and from there you can click here exit to dashboard. But here I have another tab opened. It's WordPress dashboard. So from here, if we just hover over on appearance and then click on customize. So right now we are inside our theme customizer, as we are using the Phlox theme. So it's the Phlox theme customizer. From here, to change this logo on the left side, here we can see site identity. Just click there, and here you'll find the logo upload option. Also, if you scroll down a bit, here you'll find the site title and tagline option. So if you wanna change that, you can do that from this place. But now I wanna change the logo, so just click over this logo. Now go to upload files, click on select files. Now let's select the logo that we have just created from the logomaker.com and click on open. Now click on select. I don't wanna crop this logo, so click on skip cropping, and here we go. But our logo is looking super big. No worries, because I will make this logo smaller from Elementor page builder. For the moment, let's just keep it the way it is right now. Now I want to show you another thing, that is the favicon. So from here, if we just scroll down at the bottom, you can see here's the site icon option. Site icon is basically the little fav icon what you can see at the top of our browser. Right now it's the default WordPress favicon, but here if you want to upload your own favicon, so to do that, just click here on select site icon, go to upload files, click on select files. So from here, I'm just uploading a pre-made favicon. Let's just select it. You will get that on the download folder. And remember, your favicon need to be square sized. So if the width is 100 pixel, height needs to be 100 pixel. Also, that could be 64 by 64 or 120 by 120. You got the idea, right? So just select the favicon and click on open. Now click on select. I don't want to crop it, so click on skip cropping, and here you go. At the top of our browser, you can see the little tiny icon. This is our website's favicon. Alright, now let's have a look how to work with the navigation. So if we click on this hamburger, here we can see the navigation items or the menu items. If you want to work with this, then from this theme customizer, just scroll up a bit and then go back. Now from inside menus, that's just under the site identity, click on menus. So as we have used the demo importer website, their two menus are automatically generated or created. Those are top menu and bottom menu. We don't need bottom menu in this website, so let's focus on the top menu. Also, if you wanna create a menu by yourself, then you can just click here, create a new menu. But we don't need that because we already have a menu says top menu. So let's now have a look what's inside this top menu. Click on the top menu. Now here we can see home, services, about, blog, contact. And you see, by following this order, we have our menu here, home, services, about, blog, contact. So these are basically coming from this place. Now if you want, you can order or reorder them. Like let's say if you wanna put this about above the service, then you can simply just drag this about at the top of the service in this place. And then if you just click on publish and refresh the page, you can see the changes working here on the live site. But I don't want that, so here I'm putting about under the services here. Now let's say if you want to add new menus, then you need to click here on add items. Here you can add your new pages. So in future, if you think you will add more pages, you can add those pages from here and add it inside of your existing menu. And not only your pages, you can also add any custom links inside this menu. So to add a custom menu, you need to click here on custom links. Then here you can put the pages URL or any other external page URL here. For example, if I put my website URL here, my website is https://jimfahaddigital.com. And then link text. Link text is basically what will appear as the name of the link. So here let's say I'm putting just support and then click on add to menu. You see it's instantly added inside of our menu items. But that was just an example. I don't need it. So just click here on this X to delete it. Alright. Then when you are happy with all the settings, then from top click on this publish button to save your work and then click on this X to exit. Alright, now let's go to the home page of our website. So from top, if we hover over on our site name, here you can see visit site. I'm opening it from a new tab. So here we can see our beautiful home page. And like I said, I now want to customize this logo size. To do that, we need to work with the Elementor header. To access the Elementor header, if we now hover over on edit with Elementor, you can just simply click here on site header. Also on the right side here, you can see edit header and footer. From there, you can click on site header. I'm clicking on site header. Now click on edit with Elementor. Now from inside of our header builder, I wanna customize the size of our logo. So just click over this logo. Now from left, go under style tab. And here I want to reduce the logo width. So by default it's set in percentage, but I want to set it in pixel and let's make it 160 pixel. Right now it looks perfect. Now let's have a look on our navigation. So first let's click on this hamburger icon. And from here, I want to replace this watermarked image with another image. So to do that, just go under this style tab. By default here menu item is opened, just minimize it. Now expand the full screen window from here and you see this image is basically coming from this place. So to replace this image with another image, we can select the image from here. So let's choose the image, go to upload files, select files. I'm selecting this image without the watermark and click on open. And now click on insert media. Okay, if we now click on this hamburger, we can see the updated image. Perfect. So when you are happy with it, just click on this green update button to save our work. Now let's go back to front end of our website, and if we now refresh the page, now we can see our logo size is looking perfect. Also, if we click on this hamburger icon, we can see the latest image. Alright. Now let's scroll down to our footer. So to customize our footer like the header, just hover over on this edit header and footer and from there click on site footer. Then click on edit with Elementor. So here is our footer builder, and here if you have a look in the middle we have got an extra navigation menu. We don't need that, so just right click on this blue pencil icon and click on delete. We only need the logo that's on the left, and on the right side we can see some social icons. By the way, again, if you think these are broken, actually they are not, because we have got some spaces because of this left Elementor menu. If we just minimize it, you see the social icons are aligned perfectly. Alright, let's expand it. Now if you want to put your social media links here, just first click on this blue icon. Now here on the left you can see item 1, 2 and 3. So if you want to put here your Facebook link, just open this item 1. Now from inside this place here you can see the link field. You can just put your Facebook page URL, and then we just minimize the item 1 and expand the item 2. This one is for the Instagram, so you can just put your Instagram link inside this field. In this way you can connect your social media icons inside of your website. And then if you wanna customize the footer text, just click over this text. First of all, I wanna make this text centered aligned. So to do that, from here alignment, let's make it centered aligned. And now have a look on the copyright text field. First we can see the copy text, and now within the two curly braces we can see a big Y. This big Y is basically the dynamic year. So right now it's 2021, so that's why we can see here after copyright 2021. And if we keep it like this, I mean within the two curly braces, on 2022 it will automatically become 2022. And then here you can also see the site name. So our site name is Jim Fahad Production. That's why we can see it here. And right after that, we can see all rights reserved, this text in this place. Now here, instead of this site name, if you want to write anything manually, you can do that. So I'm just removing this site name from here, and I'm just typing here awesome salon. You see, it's instantly updated. So again, when you are happy with it, just click on this green update button to save your work. Alright, now close it. And if we now refresh the page, We can see here the updated texts. Awesome. Now we can move forward to our other pages. So first we will be doing our services page. Let's now go to our services page. By the way, you can go to any page in two ways. Like here we are on our services page. So from top we can just simply click on edit with Elementor. This is one way, and also you can just go to WordPress dashboard. From the left here we have got our pages. From there just go to all pages. Then here is our services page. From there you can just click on edit with Elementor. So these are the same. You can click on edit with Elementor from this place, or if you are on your services page already, then from this top black bar you will find this link says edit with Elementor. So I'm clicking on edit with Elementor. So now first minimize the Elementor builder so we can have a real look of our services page. As it's a Salon services page, so you may have this type of services like nail design. So on the left side you can put some images that can relate on nails, and on the right side you can put your different services that's inside the nail design. I know manicure or pedicure is not included inside nail design, but these are just examples. You can put here any sub-services that's suitable under nail design. Also, if we scroll down here, we have got the makeup section. So under makeup, you can put some sub-services, you can put the prices here, and you can put some relatable image on the right side. And then if you scroll down here, we have got the tattoo service. Also, you can put some sub-services of the tattoos here, and you can include the prices with that. Now I'm showing you how easily and how quickly you can do that. So let's expand our Elementor page builder. First, I want to replace this image with other image. You know, it's very easy. Just click over this image, go to choose image, click on upload files, select files. Now from inside services folder, okay, let's just upload all these images together. Click on open. So for the nail services, I'm selecting this image, click on insert media. Now on the right side, if you wanna change this text that says beauty salon nail design, just click over it, and from left you can change the beauty salon text. If you wanna change the nail design text, you can just go inside secondary heading. From here you can change this text. And then if you wanna change any of these sub-services, just click over these sub-services text. Then here you can see all these are included as a single list. So first here we have got manicure, just click over it. You can change the manicure text from here, you can change its price from this place. And let's say if you wanna add another sub-service here under the pedicure, then from here we have got pedicure. First, just duplicate it by clicking on this duplicate icon, then click on the duplicated one. From here, let's say its name is, what should I name it? Okay, just name it Pro Pedicure. It's not pedicure, I guess it's pedicure, right? I'm not a girl, so I'm not used to with this type of stuff. And then you can set the price here 138, because if the pedicure price is 38 as is the Pro Pedicure, it should be $138. It's pretty fair, you know. Alright, so if you don't want to keep it, just click on this X to delete it. Alright, so the same rules for all of these sections. Just click on this image, then to change it, just choose other image. I'm selecting this image, click on insert media, and then you can change all of these sub-services. So let's just go to next section and let's replace this image to other image. I'm selecting this image and click on insert media. Alright. Now I want to show you another thing. Like here we have got our three main services. One is nail design, and here is makeup, and then we have got our tattoo service. What if you have more main services? That's also pretty simple. Just we need to duplicate this section. To do it, just hover over on the 6 dots, right click here, click on duplicate. Then scroll down, you see the above section is duplicated here. Now to match the design, here you see on the top section the image is on the right side and the services on the left, and then we have image on the left and the services text on the right. So we need to maintain the same design sense, right? So to do it, we can do it very easily. You know what is my goal? My goal is to make this image position on the right side. To do it, just click on this column icon and then drag it to the right column here. It's instantly done. Then you can change all this text on the same way. So I have just shown you how to do it, but I don't want to keep this section. So to delete it, just click on this X icon. To me, this page is looking great. To save this page, again click on this green update button. Now let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. Let's now customize our about page. So here we can see our about page, and here is the edit with Elementor button. Just right click here. I'm opening it from a new tab. So this is our about page. Here on the left you can talk about yourself or your salon or about your experience, so your customer can trust on you. And if you wanna change this text, I know you already guessed it, just click over it, and from left you can change all these. Then if you wanna change this text, no matter which text you wanna change, just click over it and you can change that from the left side. Also, if you want, you can put your signature over here, but I don't wanna keep it, so just right click over this image and click on delete. But if you want, you can put your signature here as an image. Okay, now from the right side I wanna replace this image, so just click over this image and choose another image. Go to upload files, click on select files. Now from inside about page, I'm selecting this image, click on open, insert media, and here we go. Alright, now let's go to the next section. This is our theme section. So here you can put the images of your salon. So here you can put the team members image of your salon. So for example, you can put here the owner's image or your worker's image. Also you can put their name and their occupation or their role here. So to do it, just click over this team member person. Now you can change her name. From this place it says staff name, and then you can change her role. From here it says staff occupation. Then if you want to change the image, then from left just open the image option. From here you can upload the image. So I'm uploading image from here. Let's just select files. Let's upload all these together. Click on open. So for the first team member, I'm selecting this image, click on insert media. For the second team member, let's go to image, click on the image. I'm selecting this image, click on insert media, and let's select the third image. Go under image tab, click on the image to choose image. Now select this one and click on insert media. By the way, you shouldn't put random girls images here. You need to put your team members image here. I'm putting these images because this is only for this tutorial purpose. These are just examples. Alright, now let's go to the next section. This is the common section because we already have done this section on our home page. So let's just quickly replace this image. Click on this column icon, go under style tab. From here, let's just replace this image. We already have uploaded this image for the home page, so this is the image. Select it and click on insert media. Here you go. And you know, when you click on this how to work, one video will pop up and you can select that video from here. Just inside the link you can put your YouTube video URL. And then here we have got our global footer. So right now everything is looking great and premium on our about page. I'm really happy with these pages. Alright, now let's expand the Elementor page builder and click on the green update button to save your work. Alright, now let's go back to WordPress dashboard, and we have got only the contact page and the blog page. Let's now do those really quickly. So first let's do the contact page. So from here click on edit with Elementor. I'm opening it from a new tab. So here is our contact page. On the left side here we will be putting the Google map, and on the right side here is our contact form. You are already familiar with contact form, you know how to do the contact form settings, but I will again show you how to set up this contact form for the contact page. And then if we scroll down here we can see the address, phone number, and open hours options. So let's first do the work with this. If you want to change the address of your salon, just click over it. Then from left, if we just go inside the content, from here you can change the address of your salon. Then if we go inside the phone numbers, here on the left inside content you can update your phone numbers. And then if we click on open hours and you know just go inside this content, you can update your weekends or working days from this place. Very simple. Alright, now let's just scroll up a bit. Now here on the left side, I wanna put the Google map. So first, I just wanna delete the default Phlox themes map. So to delete it, just right click on this blue pencil icon and click on delete. Now here inside I wanna put our own Google Map, I mean the Elementor's Google Map. So to insert the Google Map, just click here on this Rubik's Cube icon, and from here you can see the Google Maps. Just drag this Google Map inside this column here. Now you can see the Google Map here, but first I wanna make its height to the full height of this section. So to do it, from here you see height. By default it's in pixel, but I'm setting it to VH, and let's make it 100 VH. So right now it's looking great, but to match this map's design with our whole website, we need to make this map to a black and white map. To do it, just go under Style tab and click on the CSS filters. From here I'm making the saturation to 0. Right now it's black and white and it suits of our website's design. Alright, now let's go under the content tab again. Now from here you just need to put the address of your salon. So the pin will go on your address. So the pin will go at the top of your address, you know. Then from here, if you want, you can increase the zoom. So by default it's 10. If you want to increase it more, you can make it 11 or 12. You see it's zoom in more than the default. Alright, I'm happy with it. And then on the right side we have got our contact form. So to work with it, first click on this blue icon, and here we can see the shortcode. We have done one contact form 7 form on our home page, that's for the booking, but this one is for general contact. Now first just remember the ID name. Here the ID name is 61. Now let's go inside WordPress dashboard from other tab. Then from left, if we hover over on contact and click on contact forms. Now here we are looking for the ID 61. That's the second one. This one you see here ID number is 61. Now we will be modify this contact form. So to do it, from here just click on this edit button. So first here we can see the full name, then email, subject and message. That we can see here in this place. Here we can see full name, email, subject and message. Alright, so everything is perfect because on the contact page, we only need their name, their email address, the subject and their message. So we are good to go with this form. We don't need to update anything within this form. Now let's just go under this mail tab. But I think we have some errors on the forms, so let's find out. Go inside these forms again. If we have a look here, you see the full name, its ID is text-76. Also, if we have a look on this subject, its ID is also 76. So this is the error. We cannot keep the same ID name on multiple inputs. So just change the ID name from this place. Here instead of text-76, I'm putting here text subject, so it's more readable. Actually we can change all of these names more human readable. So here instead of text-76, I can write here text name. Here instead of email 524, I can type here email name. And also instead of text area 140, I can just type here text area text. These are more human readable, right? Alright, so to save it, from here just click on the save button. Now let's refresh this page and then go to the mail tab here. So first here we need to fix the to. Here instead of this random Gmail address, here I'm putting my Gmail address. Actually not Gmail, it's my email address, custom email address. It's elementor@jimfahaddigital.com. And here again, instead of all these, I just wanna keep it sweet and simple. So from, I'm removing all these, just the beauty salon. And then here WordPress @ after the @ we need to put our domain name. So our domain name is our elementor.com. So now it's not showing any error. Then here inside this subject field, we can make it dynamic by using the text subject. So let's remove all this text and we can just put here the subject shortcode. So I'm pasting it here, or we can just simply write here email from beauty salon. So there is no more errors. Then here additional headers, reply to your email, but we don't have any shortcode that says your email. For email capturing, we are using email name, this shortcode. So I'm just copying this shortcode name, and then here instead of your email, I'm just pasting the shortcode that is email name. And then here's the message body. Like our homepage booking form, first of all, I just want to remove all of this existing text. So here first I'm writing message text and then hit enter. So first I'm typing here full name and then I'm just putting the shortcode that is responsible for taking the username. So here I'm pasting the shortcode and then here is the email. So just copy the email shortcode from here and paste it in this place, hit enter. Now let's type subject and here let's just paste the shortcode that's responsible for capturing the subject, hit enter. Now here is the message. So just copy the text area text shortcode from here and paste it inside this place. Alright, now from here just scroll down and click on the save button to save our work. Let's now go back to our contact page. We were inside Elementor page builder. So to save our existing work, click on this update button. And to preview the live page, click on this eyeball icon because I also wanna test the contact form. Okay, so let's now fill up this contact form. Here I'm putting my first name. Then here is my email address. Okay, let's put here a subject. I'm setting it haircut. And let's type here a message. So I can type here, can I get a schedule at 7 p.m. Alright, let's now click on send message. It says, thank you for your message, it has been sent. And then as the admin of the beauty salon, you will receive an email like this. So this email is coming from Fahad. Here we have got his email address. Here is the subject, haircut. And here is the message. It says, can I get a schedule at 7 p.m. So if you have time, you can just reply back to him, yes, sure, or anything you want. You got it right? Alright. So we are done with our contact page as well. Here we have got our Google map. On the right side we have our beautiful contact form and it's 100% working. Right after that, here we have got the address, phone number and open our section. Lastly, we have got the global footer. Perfect. Now we only have our blog page remaining, but before customizing our blog page, I want you to understand how to write a blog post. So to do it, let's now just go inside our WordPress dashboard and then from left here we can see a link. It says posts. So from there, if we just go to all posts, here we can see some dummy blog posts. I haven't created any of these blog posts. You know, we have imported a demo website and within the demo import we have got all these dummy blog posts. But now let me show you, if you want to create a blog post by yourself, how you can do that. Because right now you are owning your own website, so of course you want to write some blog post by your own, right? Maybe not now, but in the future, you know. So to write a blog post, you just need to click here on add new. You can also do that from here underneath the main posts tab. Here you can see add new. So just click here or here on add new. Let's now close this pop-up. So first you can add your blog post title from here. It says add title, click there. But before that, I want to show you another thing. You can see it's on full screen. We cannot see the left bar of the WordPress. So to enable that, from right corner here you can see 3 dots, click there and let's disable the full screen mode. Just click here. So we can now see the WordPress bar on the left. Alright, so here you can put your title, like here I'm typing exotic haircut. I'm not sure is there anything named exotic haircut. This is just for example. Alright, so this is our blog title and then your main blog text, you need to write that from this place. It says type or to choose a blog. So just click here. Then you can straightforwardly just type your blog post here. Also, I want to show you another easy way how to write a blog post because you are probably comfortable with Google Doc. So I'm showing you how you can easily write your blog post like a tool that's similar like the Google Doc. So to have it, from the right corner, click on this plus icon. And from here, I'm searching for Classic Editor. Here it is. Click on Classic. So you see it's similar like Google Doc, so you can write anything here. Here inside I'm just pasting some dummy text. So you know, these are pretty simple. So let's see, if you want to make something bold, just select that text and make it bold from here by clicking on this bold icon. If you want to make anything italic, just select it and click on the italic icon. You can also link it to any other website, like let's say if you want, you can just select these two words, and if you want to link it to other website, just click on this insert link. I'm just linking it to my own website, that's jimfahaddigital.com. Then hit enter. It's instantly linked to my website. Also, if you want to add any image in between these two paragraphs, just hit enter after this paragraph, and then from here you can see an media icon. Just click there and upload any image that will be placed in between these two paragraphs. It's very simple. Like I said, it's similar like Google Docs. Alright, now I wanna show you some other things. So when you are done with the writing of your blog post, here you have your blog text, and here at the top you have your blog title. Then from the right side under this post, you need to do something like here. If we scroll down and open the categories, from here you see there are some existing categories. Those are coming from the demo website we have imported. But let's say if you want to add some categories by your own, then you need to click here on add new category. So for example, if you wanna add a category that's name is exotic, so here I'm typing exotic, then click on add a new category. So this blog post will go under exotic category. Then if you scroll down, you can add some tags with it. So here I'm adding here cut, put a comma, maybe exotic again, and put a comma. So these are the tags of this blog post. And one last important thing you need to add, that is the featured image. So click on the featured image and then click on set featured image. Now let's click on upload files and select files. Then from inside the blog folder, I'm selecting this image. Now click on open and then click on set featured image. Alright, that's basically it. Then from the top right corner, click on publish and click on publish one more time. Now to see our blog post, we can click here on view post. So I'm opening it from a new tab. Let's now have a look on our single blog post. So here on our single blog post page, first we can see the thumbnail image. That's basically the featured image. And right after that, here we can see the blog title. Also here we can see the category. It's under the exotic category and the author is Jim Fahad because I have posted this. And then here we can see our blog post's text. Then scroll down. Here we can also see the text that is exotic and haircut, and also we have got here share button. So if we click on this share button, we can share it on all these social platforms. Also there is an option for commenting. So right now as I'm logging in, that's why I can only see the comment field. But if I go to log out, then I can see a field for first name, email address, and then the comment field. On that way, any other user can comment on this blog post. You don't need to do anything for that because it's already pre-built. Alright, in this way you can create as many blog posts you want. Now let's have a look how to customize our blog page. So now just go back to our WordPress dashboard. Okay, now just for the moment have a look. If we click on all posts, here we can see with the all dummy blog post, we can also see the blog post I have just created, that's the exotic haircut. I could create all these blog posts by myself, but that will take a lot of time and you will also be bored if I do this on a screen. So I'm explaining the blog page having these dummy blog posts. Alright, now from the pages, just click on all pages. So here is our blog page. Now to edit the page, click on edit with Elementor. I'm opening it from a new tab. Okay, now let's go to the blog page. So here we can see all the blog posts. So now I'm showing you quickly how you can customize this blog page. To customize this blog preview, just click on this blue pencil icon. Then from here you can see the default number of the posts to show is set to 9. That's why we can see here 1, 2, 3 and then 4, 5, 6 and then 7, 8, 9, these 9 blog posts. Let's say for example here instead of 9, if I set it to 3, now we can see only 3 blog posts and then right after that we cannot see any of the blog posts. Okay, so now I wanna do something interesting here. My goal is, by default here will be showing only 3 blog posts, and right after that here will be a read more button. If someone clicks on the read more button, the next blog posts will appear. So to do that, from left if we scroll down, here you can see the paginate. Click there. So for the pagination, I'm selecting this option. Now after the 3 blog posts, here we can see a big load more button. Alright, now to save it, just click here on this green update button and then click on this eyeball icon to show it on real website. So this is our blog page, and here we can see only 3 blog posts. Then if we scroll down, here we can see a load more button. Let's now click on this load more button. It's loading, and here we have got our next 3 blog posts. And then again if we click on the load more button, it's loading, and here we have got the next 3 blog posts. And again if we click on the load more, we can see here the very last blog post that made by me. So from here if we now click on this last blog post, that will take us to the single blog post page. Cool. So our single blog post page is looking really great. If we now go to our blog page, it's also looking great with this load more option. Also, let's now have a final look on all other pages. So from the hamburger menu, let's first go to our home page. Here our home page is looking great. This banner looks great, and if we scroll down, here the services looks great, and then if we scroll down, here is the story section. It's looking great. Now let's scroll down to the next section. This is the call to action section. If we click on this how to work button, the video pops up nicely. Now click outside, and then let's go to the next section. Here is the quick booking appointment section is looking great, and you see this form is working perfectly. Now let's go to the next section. Here is the testimonial section. Everything is looking great with nice animations, and here is the recent blog posts. We can see them here perfectly. Now let's go to the next section. This is our global footer. Alright, now let's go to our next page. That's the services page. Our services page is also looking amazing. Here we have got different services, and here is underneath the sub services with their own prices. And here we have got the global footer. Now let's go to top and let's go to the next page. This is our about page. Our about us page is looking great with this text, and on the right we have got a big image. Now let's scroll down. Here is our team member section, and it's looking great with these beautiful animations. Then here underneath we have got the call to action section, and then here is the global footer. Everything is looking perfect. Now let's go to our contact page. Also our contact page is looking great. On the left we have got our black and white Google map. On the right side we have got 100% working contact form. Then underneath here we have got the address, phone number, and open our section. And lastly we have got here our global footer. Awesome. So that's basically it. If you are a beauty salon owner or a spa center owner, or even if you are a barbershop owner, then just go ahead and create your own website by following this tutorial. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like it, please give this video a big thumb up, and don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Also press on that bell icon to get notified before anyone whenever I will upload a new video on this YouTube channel. Also, if you want me to help you on your WordPress project or Elementor project, then you can contact me through my website, that's jimfahaddigital.com. I will try my best to help you personally. Once again, thank you so much for watching this full tutorial. I will see you on the next video. For now, bye bye.